Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 14th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So on the US dollar index 4-hour time frame, I mean, it definitely looks like a possible complete ABC correction. We made three waves right to the 50%. Nice big impulsive move down. Now, technically, we do not have a break of structure, so there is definitely a chance that this could make a higher low and push up and maybe even take out the previous highs. It definitely looks like an ABC correction, but the fact that we don't have that break of structure and we don't have a very significant lower high yet tells us that we do have to be a little bit cautious in assuming that it definitely is the end of an ABC correction and that it really is going down like we are hoping for. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, this is where we need to start paying attention because we have a Fibonacci retracement on here. If we do have a move to the upside starting, we need to observe it to see if the move is very overlapping like that and it makes some sort of like a pullback up to a Fibonacci level and then continues a downtrend like a wave one, wave two, wave three, or whether the move up becomes very impulsive and just very, very impulsive. If it's impulsive, then maybe this really isn't the end of a correction and maybe it really will go up and take out the previous highs. So we just need to try to observe what the next move is, whether the next move is a very overlapping corrective pattern up to a fib level and then back down, or whether the next move up is a very impulsive trend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.